The Advanced Coaching Platform is a place where coaches can view hundreds of drills, drag and drop the drills of their choice to create a customized practice plan for their team. This plan can be shared with other coaches, printed to bring to practice, or viewed on their smartphone at the field. The drill library consists of hundreds of quality drills categorized to make it easy to find the drills you are looking for. Each individual drill has an illustrated diagram, some key points, a description of how the drill should work, some notes on the setup of the drill, and an animation or video of the drill to make it easier for the coach to understand how the drill should work. Create your own practice plan by dragging and dropping the drills from your drill library into your plan. You can adjust the length of each drill, add special notes for each practice, and much more. The finished plans are organized for easy printing with drill diagrams, descriptions, and special notes. Each practice is saved in your own practice library and can be conveniently organized in a customized folder for your future use. You can view our different membership levels by using the above navigation bar and go to Compare Features. I have only touched on a few of the key features of the platform. See how easy it is and take a minute and make a plan right now. Become a basic user today.